One of the biggest challenges that I've been facing on TikTok is how to use my own audio that I want to import from my gallery. So today I found out this trick, and I felt it is very important to also tell you how you can import your audio from your device, and then it becomes part of the audios on TikTok. So this is how you can do it. Follow along. So you can open your TikTok app, and then from here you click on the plus sign. You have to click on this image thumbnail, which is on the right. You click on the image thumbnail, which is on the right bottom corner. Then after clicking that, you choose the image you want to use. So you can select any random image, and then you click on next. From here you allow it to load. My network is a bit slow. Then you tap on the audio. That is the audio sign, which is on top. Tap on that audio sign on top. And then from here you tap on the search button. Click on the search button, and then it will take you here, and then you click on discover more audios. Click on discover more audios, and then it will bring you here. Here you have to tap on your sounds. You tap on your sounds. From here you have two options, that is import sound from video, and then import local sound. Local sounds are those sounds that you already have in your gallery. Then you can also import sound from your video that you have in your gallery. So for me, I am going to tap on import sound from video, which is what I want to do. Then from here you can select the video that has the sound you want. Then you click on import sound from video. It will import the sound from the video. So here the sound has been imported. As you can see, the first sound which is imported. So you can see the imported sound. When you click on it, it will bring you to these recommended sounds. You can see our sound is already here. So from here you can use this sound in your video. You can now use this sound in your video, and anytime you want to use it, you can just come here. You can also put it as your favorite, so that whenever you want to use it again, you can just come and check your favorites. So this is the volume part. For example, if you wanted to change the original sound to the added sound, you just bring down the sound of the original, and then you leave the added sound volume, so that you'll be able to use the imported sound on your video instead of the original sound. So that is how you can actually add your own sound from your device. Basically how you can import your own sound on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech. Thank you.